Hello, my name is Antoniya. I'm a teacher and writer from Bulgaria.
I'm Zachary. I am a writer and director and dramaturg getting into photography. I'm also here because I want to explore more types of immersive storytelling.
My name is Kat Todorova, and I'm originally from Bulgaria. I'm based in Sofia, and I am a theater actor and director. Some of the highlights of my experience here at the Summer Screenwriting Base are meeting with the amazing facilitators and being part of the sessions related to immersion, storytelling, and also creating interactive digital stories.
I think the first few days are like really beautifully constructed to help us all get to know each other. The interactions that we have at meal times are like so special, I think. Just learning about each other's lives.
I don't know where to start. There are so many, like everything in the big picture, everything in the small details, the people, the courses, the lectures, the lecturers, the whole team. I really don't know what to say. There are so many aspects.
What makes this experience different from my other experiences so far is very much the location where we're at, in this beautiful village in the Rhodope Mountains. The lovely people that have gathered here and everybody's background and knowledge and expertise and what they bring to the table, along with the amazing facilitators. Just having the space and the opportunity to play around with different ideas and to bounce off of each other and what everybody has to offer, and to create lasting friendships and relationships out of this experience.
I have to say that there is something which is beyond just purely using words. It's the feeling, I might say. So the feeling is really different in a very beautiful way. Surrounded by like-minded people, I feel free, I feel happy, I feel doing meaningful things, I feel growing up, learning, evolving, and so many other powerful words. I'm in my element here.
I mean, you're just in nature, you're in the middle of nature. I just really appreciate separating myself from, you know, like a busy city and making a very intentional choice to be here and to allow the place to inspire me as well as the activities that we're doing. This experience is incredibly different from the experience I had 2 years ago. Last time I came, this was like a creative reset for me, so I thought that this time would also be that same kind of creative reset and help me get back on the track. And it's doing it already. I felt very generative since I came, so I've been writing every day and thinking a lot about my ideas, and it's been fantastic.
The advice I would give to someone considering to be part of this experience is to come with a lot of open-mindedness and to be ready to play, to be receptive, to bring their energy.
You know, as artists, we need to continue to curate our own growth. So like this is my way of doing that. You know, I'm a yoga teacher. Some yoga teachers go on retreats to enhance their practice. I think that's this version. That's what that is for lots of artists. Any kind of artist who's a storyteller, this is like a perfect experience to just grow a bit more.
Don't hesitate and participate. Apply now and hope to see you next summer.
Don't waste time, just sign up and bring your friends, tell your friends, and Also share with people that haven't been to this part of Bulgaria or haven't visited Bulgaria before, and let's just make this place known and to make some amazing stories along the way.
I would just really want to encourage people to do it. Like, it's fantastic. There's nothing else like it.